Hi, my name is Mike Hetman, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, February 4th, 2008. In Australia, the TDMI inflation gauge rose 0.3% during January and 3.9% on the year. Although the monthly change was smaller than in December, the elevated level of inflation is a worry for the central bank. The trade deficit in Australia narrowed to $1.9 billion. Exports increased 1.3%, while the growth of imports was nearly flat at 0.1%. Housing prices in Australia for the fourth quarter beat expectations, increasing 3.2% for the quarter and 12.3% compared to last year. The Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to raise interest rates to 7% when their meeting concludes later this evening, as the policymakers are worried about inflation. The economy has continued to grow even as the U.S., the U.K., and Eurozone have slowed. As we have seen today, data on exports and the housing sectors were positive. Another rate cut, however, may put increased pressure on homeowners with rising mortgage payments. New orders for manufactured goods in December increased $10 billion, or 2.3%. This is the sixth increase in the last 7 months. Shipments decreased, while unfilled orders and inventories increased. The Aussie has performed well versus the U.S. dollar during the last 3 sessions, recovering from its fall last Wednesday. The pair is up 250 pips since then, and it has climbed more than 500 pips from its 2-week low. The pound reversed some of Friday's losses to the dollar and yen in today's session. In this view of the pound-yen, we see the pound climb 240 pips to reach a session high near 211.70 before receding. A rally in European and Asian stocks spurred demand for higher-yielding currencies, such as the pound. Against the dollar, the pound managed to gain back about half of Friday's 250-pip slide. The pair reached 1.9786, a rise of 130 pips from today's open. This resistance held, and the pair receded as stocks in the U.S. lowered, affecting carry trade. The euro edged up as well on the dollar. Looking at tonight, Australia will post retail sales and building permits, along with a decision by its central bank that we have already mentioned. New Zealand will unveil data on labor costs and commodity prices. Overnight, the Eurozone, Germany, and the UK will reveal services PMI. The Eurozone will also post retail sales. The U.S. will follow up tomorrow morning with its services indicator, the ISM Non-Manufacturing Index. And that's it for today. I'm Mike Hetman. Join us again tomorrow at cmsfx.com.